This is a typical example of a Queensland 2022 hardwired smoke alarm. These must be installed by electricians. These smoke alarms come with two power sources. One is through the mains power and the second one is through the battery backup. These smoke alarms must be interconnected through physical wires, which means these smoke alarms are best installed when there is good roof access, usually on a single level dwelling and where there is no concrete ceilings. 1300 smoke alarms, your protection, our priority.